Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you, and in today's video I have a hula along to the Hawaiian Lullaby. This version is by the female trio Naleo Pilimehana. Now we've already gone ahead and learned this hula, so if you're just tuning in and want to go head back to learn step by step, I'll go ahead and link those videos below. Otherwise, please join me as we hula along together by this version of the Hawaiian Lullaby. Mahalo for tuning in today with iHula Hawaii. I do hope that you enjoyed this version of the Hawaiian Lullaby. Go ahead and leave me a comment. If you have a question below, I'd love to read it and respond. Until we see each other again next week for more hula, please leave a thumbs up if you've liked this video, a comment, and please share my channel with others. Until we see each other again next week for more hula with iHula Hawaii, ahui ho, and aloha.